Are you ready to make travel history in 2024? Let's show you how. Welcome to Bahaar Journeys, where your travel dreams come true. Plan your dream destination, whether it's the serene beaches of Thailand, the vibrant streets of Tokyo, or the historic wonders of Rome. Bahar Journeys has the perfect package for you. Visit our website, explore our wide range of travel packages, specially designed to fit every budget and preference. We offer top class accommodation, guided tours, and unforgettable experiences. Book your adventure with just a few clicks. Secure your spot and get ready for the journey of a lifetime. Our dedicated team take care of everything. You just need to focus on making memories. Capture every moment, share your travel stories with the world. Tag us on social media and join our community of explorers. Who knows? Your adventure might inspire others to follow their travel dreams. Once you travel with Bahar Journeys, you become part of our family. Enjoy exclusive discounts on future trips and continue your journey to make more travel history. Bahar Journeys, the traveler's most recommended platform. Start your journey today. Visit Bahar Journeys and book your journey.